Hi, welcome to Wise Guys. This is video on percent and its practice questions. Okay, so try this question. You can pause the video, work through the question, and then restart the video, and I will work through the question. Okay. So 14.5% of 465 is what number? So if we're thinking again about part over the whole, this piece, the 14.5%, has got to be the part, and the whole is the 100% when it comes to percent, right? Now, what is this, the part or the whole? The 14.5% refers to the what number, the thing that we don't know. It's, one way of reading the question is saying 14.5% of something is this. So the 14.5% is this number. So this is our unknown, the part, and the whole is the 465. So now what we're going to do to solve for this piece is just move the 465 out of this side. So I'm going to multiply this side by 465. And if I multiply this side by 465, I must multiply this side by 465 as well, because it's an equation. They equal one another. The 465 divided by the 465 is 1, so I cancel these. And that was the whole point of this, is to get this number out of this side. So now let's rewrite this. X equals 14.5% times 465 divided by 100%. Now the percents are going to cancel. And what we have now is 14.5 times 465 divided by 100. Just put that in the calculator. 14.5 times 465 divided by 100 equals 67.425. So X equals 67.425. And if we're paying attention to sig figs, 3 sig figs, 3 sig figs, so we're going to go with 67.4. So, next question, pause the video, try the question, start the video up again, and I'll be working through the question. Okay, 32 is what percent of 85? So the 32 is the percent, right? So 32 is what percent of 85? Since the 32 is connected to the percent, this must be the part. This has to be the whole. So again, part over whole. We have 32 over 85 equals the unknown percent, and the unknown percent has got to be over 100%. Now what we're going to do is multiply this side by 100%, because that gets the 100% out of there. If we multiply on this side by 100%, we must multiply on this side by 100%. These two cancel. Now we have X equals 32 times 100% divided by 85. And we just put that into our calculator. 32 times 100 divided by 85 equals 37.65. 37.65. Okay. So X equals, and also notice our units here, we have percent. So we have to have percent in our final answer because we're looking for percent, of course. And significant figures, we have 2 here. So we're going to go with 38%. Oh, wait, hold it. It says round to the nearest 10%, so that's why it's always a good question, or good idea to read the question carefully. So let's back up here to the nearest 10th percent. So the 10th percent is here. That 5 means that we need to round up, so it becomes 37.7%, and that would be the answer. And last question. I think it's the last one, yep. So again, pause the video, try the question, and then come back. All right, 12.5% of what number is 43? So again, this is the part. Basically 12.5% of something is 43. So the 12.5% is the 43, and that's the part as well. And this piece that we don't know is the whole. So we have 12, I'm going to go with 12.5% over 100% equals 43 over our unknown whole, okay? Now we have x on the denominator, but again, what I would like to do is deal with this piece. So let's just get rid of our percents here. I'm going to divide by 100, so I have 0.125 equals 43 over x. I'm going to multiply on this side by x, and that's to get x out of the denominator. If I multiply on this side by x, I have to multiply on this side by x. These two cancel. So now I have 0.125 times x equals 43. Now I'm going to divide by 0.125 and divide here by 0.125. These two cancel, and we end up with x equals 43 divided by 0.125. So we have 43 divided by 0.125 equals 344. Okay. And we ask ourselves, is that a reasonable answer? It's always a good idea just to check, is that a reasonable answer? 12.5%. It's fairly small, and it's out of 100, and the 12.5% is connected to the 43. So that's the part, and it's 12.5 out of 100, so it's reasonable that it's a large number. Okay? All right, so that's WISE, guys, and that's the end of questions, and I hope you have a good day. Take care.